Hey Tommy, what techniques do you use for networking if you have any? Shabu. Great. So there's a great book on this. I don't have the physical version, but I have read that book over 3 times already. And it's called How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. And the key is whenever you're networking, you ever notice that basically when somebody's talking to you, you're less interested in what they're saying and more interested in basically what you're going to respond? That's the wrong way to communicate or, for example, network. Whenever I've learned this the hard way, when talking to someone, you want to basically listen fully and be basically, just listen, respond thoughtfully, and basically have a conversation based around them. That's the whole point. So when networking, I rarely network, honestly, if I'm gonna be fully honest here. But when I have conversations or I'm trying to build friendships and relationships, I just basically have become, for example, by practice, not by normal at all, I've become, for example, a very good listener. So when people talk to me, they're like, Tommy, you know how to, oh my gosh, you're such a, so great talking to you. And I haven't said a word. Like all I did was basically listen. So read that book right there, How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie, is gonna help you out a ton. But if I had a business where I needed to network more and all this stuff, I would just go to all the events where those people actually were and then just start off conversations, stuff like that. Remember, right? Whenever you're networking with people that are interested in the same things that you are. So it's not that difficult, it's not that hard, but it does take practice, right? It's not like you're gonna wake up one day and like, oh, I'm an extrovert now, right? If you're an introvert, which you should know your personality type, by the way, go on Google, everyone right now in the chat, right? If you don't know your personality type, go on Google and do like a personality test and just basically find out your personality type. It's very important. And that way you can basically focus on your strength and then build up on your weaknesses on whichever ones you actually need when it comes to networking or whatever else it is.
You've got to stop.